Hi guys, welcome back to my channel at Bizyjoe.com. So today I'll be guiding you through on how to increase Facebook post reach on groups and pages using the tool called Vercel app. Vercel app help you to increase your Facebook reach so you can get number of people to view your posts on Facebook groups and Facebook page. So I'll be giving you step by step guide. And also if you are faced with some challenges like this, Facebook normally bring down your post on a regular basis if you're a blogger or a digital marketer posting regularly on Facebook pages and group. And recent Facebook updates normally restricts people from posting blog links frequently on groups. So they normally take down those blog. So this thing can also help, although I'm still testing it to know whether it's useful and offers a solution to Facebook taking down people's posts on groups and pages. So I'm still testing the process. So I will be showing you a step-by-step guide on how to integrate Vercel app on your WordPress website that can be enable you to increase your reach on Facebook posts, both on pages and group. And if today is your first time visiting my channel, Bizyjoe.com, please do it to subscribe, hit the subscription button, and also the bell notification button close to it to get notified anytime I post an awesome video like this. So let me move over to my screen so I can get started. So I've already made out a list of things we are going to cover. It's just a 8-step process. So I'll be taking it one after the other on how to integrate the Vercel app on your website. It's very easy and simple. So this kind of thing I'm telling you about this, you can see we have My United FC dot Vercel dot app. So if I click on this thing, if I click on this particular post now, it will lead to my blog post. Although I'm integrating Vercel app to this particular stuff. So I'll be showing you how to do this, how to create this type of post on your Facebook posts and how to integrate Vercel on your app. So this is the redirecting to my blog. This is directing to the particular post I made on my blog. So let's get started on how to do that. So the first thing you need to do is to have a WordPress website. This only work for now. People that have WordPress websites. So the first thing to know, I already have my website. So I'm implementing that on this particular site. So you need to go to plugins. So this is my plugins. I'll go and add new plugin to my list of plugins that I have. So when I click on add new plugin, what I need to do, let me check the first step. The first step is to install and activate GraphQI on WordPress dashboard. So this is what I need to. So I need to go and type this GraphQI. So I'll go back to my and type GraphQI so that I will install and activate that particular plugin. No plugin found. Try and search. So okay, let me copy this. It's the same thing. So when you search GraphQI, this is the particular plugin in question. So what you need to do is just to click on install. Then you click on activate. So we are done with the first step. We have already installed our WP GraphQI on our WordPress website. So the next thing to do after doing this, the next thing to do is to open a GitHub account. Go to Google and search github.com. I'll be making the link available on the description. So this is GitHub. This is for programmers and all that, but don't be scared, even if you don't have any knowledge on how to write a program. This step is very easy. So the next step, what we have is sign up on GitHub. To sign up on GitHub, It's very easy. Just click on sign up button. Once you click on sign up button, you fill your information provided in the form. So you just fill your username, your email address, and your password. So once you complete, you see verify your account. It's very easy to sign up, sha. You see verify your account, then you verify your account, then click on create account. Once you are done, your account will be created on GitHub. So my network is bad. So this username already taken. This is my username and this is my password. I already have account on them. So but once you want to sign up, just fill in this particular form here. It's very easy. Then verify your account is already verified. So you just click on create account. So but for me, I already have account before. So let me click on sign up. So what I just need to put in my login details and sign up on GitHub. So I've logged in on my GitHub account. So it's very easy when you create your own account. This is also the same interface that you will see. So what you need to do is once you are here, what you need to do is just to come here on this plus icon. You can see plus icon. You click on new words. You click on create new repository. You understand? Click on create new repository. Once you click on that, you wait for it to load. So you put the name for your repository. So let me use this as my blog name. Maybe let me use Bizyjoe blog. Bizyjoe blog. So they are checking this is available. So you can add description is optional. So they made a mistake here. So you can add a description to this, but it's optional. So you can try to make it public or private. When you make it public, people can actually commit on this particular project. People can actually commit on that. So by make it private, that means will be the only one to edit on this particular project. So you don't just do everything like this, then you create a repository. So it's now creating my repository for me. So we are done. As you can see, this is how easy it is. So we have actually created our repository. So what you need to do is just to upload our file. So the file that we are going to upload will be from my so once you are here, the next thing to do is to add new project. You see, you click on add new project and you are importing project from GitHub. You understand? You can import project from GitHub. You click on you are importing projects from GitHub. Do you understand? I've already added my GitHub account. So if you're importing project, just follow the process to add your GitHub account. As you can see, these are projects that are on my GitHub. As this is one that I just added now. This Bizyjoe blog. This one I just added now. So what I need to just do is to just click on import. As you can see, the name you can change the name, but I don't want to change the name. So everything is synced. What I just need to do is just to click on deploy and click on deploy project. Is deploying this particular project. I'll just give it time, some minutes. It will just deploy this process, the project. Then we are done with our Vercel integration. So let's wait. So making this particular file available, verb this particular file, making it available for a token so you can get this from the description. So once you will check on the description, whether you're from Nigeria or international client, so make this available. Once you are able to get this file, what you need to do is just to come to your GitHub. I already have this file on my system. So what I need to do is just to copy and upload this on my new repository. So keep on open window. So they just sent me this. So what I need to do is just to go to my email. I'll go to my email to verify my identity. It's very easy. So it's still the same thing you will do. So this is the post in question. So this is the post, as you can see it. So what I need to do is this is the link to this particular post. So I need to copy this link, excluding my domain name. I'm not adding my domain name to this. Be aware. I'm not adding. Okay, let me just highlight everything. Copy. So let me copy everything. Let me go back. Let me go here and put this. As you can see, what I need to do, I will start from where the domain name stop. This is my domain name, bizyjoeblog.com. So I will start from there and copy every other thing there. I'll just cut everything. Let me just I can copy it. Then I'll come back where this particular the new Vercel app and I will paste this there. I will just paste it there. So this is our new link. So let me also test this particular link. Let me copy it. Let me come back and test this particular link and know whether it's working actually. So as you can see, this is actually working. This is Vercel.blog, bizyjoeblog.vercel.app slash. This is also showing us the same post. Are you seeing that? It's showing us the same post as this. Are you seeing that? So if I want to share this link now, this is the same link that I will share on Facebook. So once I share this particular link, it will not direct me here. It will redirect to my previous blog post, this particular blog post. So let me go back to Facebook and share this particular post. So I've already gotten my verification code. So I'll just open the mail. So I'll just click on this, verify. So it's verifying my email. So as you can see, email confirmed, login successful. So it's actually logged me in to my Vercel.app. So it's coming. So it's now redirecting me to my account. Wow, congratulations. So we are successful in deploying our project from GitHub. So we are done with all this. So what you need to do is just to click on continue. So once you click on continue, then this is your domain name. This is your new domain name. Bizyjoeblog.vercel.app. This is very cool. So what you need to do is just to let's see it and see how it's. So this is bizyjoe.vercel.app. So this is our domain name. So what you need to do is just to copy this. Let's copy it and let me open notes. So let me put this. So your if you want to integrate, so the step we are now is integrating that on Facebook. We are actually done. We have done all these things. Sign up on how to share it on Facebook. Let's say you have a blog post. You have already posted a blog post on your blog. So you want to share it. So how do you actually share it? So what you need to do is just to copy the blog link. So let's say this particular post now. Let me open this post. Let me open this post on a new tab. So let me click on post. I'm putting my Vercel.app link here. I'm putting my Vercel.app link. So as you can see, it's showing me this like this. So I can add other things here. I can add, let's make it so. mm, so let me just post this particular link on Facebook. So as you can see, they have already posted this particular post containing bizyjoe.blog.vercel.app. So let me click on this and see where it's directing me. So as I click on this now, let's see where it's leading us. As you can see, it's leading us to our previous blog post, bizyjoeblog.com slash. So this is leading us to our blog post. So it automatically redirects you instead of bringing you here. So it redirects you to your blog post. But the way it appears on Facebook, it appears as blog.vercel.app. So this actually helps you to increase your Facebook post reach in pages and groups. So and also I'm also testing because normally you normally get Facebook notification and your post goes against Facebook policy. Let me check this. They normally send to bloggers. So I'm still testing this actually. I don't know whether it's a remedy. It can solve this problem that we are having sharing posts on Facebook frequently. So you can get this particular file, the Node.js file. I'll be dropping the link of this particular drive, the file on the description. Do it to check the description there so they can get this particular file and use this process, integrate that on your blog and start getting high reach on Facebook. If you find any usefulness on this particular video, do well to share this video with your friends, like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video.